Admissions are open for computer engineering class in Pune. We are conducting classes for 3rd semester. Subjects: analog and digital electronics, computer architecture and organization, fundamentals of data structure. 4th semester: advanced data structure, database management system, operating system. Morning and evening batch. Contact us for details. Concept Engineering Academy and Researchers. Dosti Apartment, above Sainath Hospital, Trimurti Chowk, Bhartividyapeeth, near Pune Institute of Computer Technology, Pune 43. Contact number 9403292692 7219116540.